This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to your Game Pass Ultimate subscription because cloud access requires it. Next, make sure your device meets compatibility. A modern browser on PC, an Android device, or iPhone with Safari will work. Then connect to a fast network. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet reduces latency dramatically. Once done, open the Xbox Cloud Gaming app or browser page and sign in. This initiates authorization and matches you to the nearest server. You now install or open the Xbox app or navigate to Xbox.com/play. Sign in again if prompted because session continuity matters. Pair your controller, USB for zero latency, Bluetooth for convenience, or the Xbox wireless adapter for reliability. Make sure the controller firmware is up to date. Then open cloud streaming settings and set target quality. Choose lower bitrate if you prioritize responsiveness over sharpness. Once paired and configured, launch a cloud-enabled title, and the service will negotiate stream parameters with the server. You finish by launching any cloud-enabled game and verifying controller input. The built-in latency and bitrate overlay helps diagnose issues. If gameplay stutters, move to a wired connection, select 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or lower the streaming bitrate, because bandwidth and latency are the usual culprits. If you still see problems, restart your router and sign out, then back into the Xbox app to refresh session tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the browser cache or app storage before retrying, as stale files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.